Happy to see you on our workshop. Please introduce yourself and which company do you represent?
I'm an HR project manager in Mawad company as a diamond house in the Middle East, and we are expanding globally.
Thank you very much. Was it workshop what you expected and what did you like the most about it?
It's an amazing and exceptional session organized in a very prestigious place by a very prestigious training house, and really it met my expectation and it added value to me a lot.
Where there are some new points and tools which you implement in your company in the close future, which you have never heard before?
Many points I got from this session. Some of it related to how to hire the right people, how to create brand ambassadors, and I'm sure that we will try to implement many things in my company when I come back.
Thank you so much. And just the last question, maybe you can give us some advices and wishes about how to improve the service, because we crave for the best, like some advices and wishes for the organization as well.
I wish for the organization all the best, and I wish to see many other trainings related to other functions in the retail industry, like HR for retail, finance for retail, or other training related to luxury as well.
For sure, we'll see, and we'll see you on the next workshop. It was nice meeting you. Thank you.